مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار.
الله أكبر الله أكبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. أشهد أن لا
Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope everyone's doing alright. Ramadan Mubarak. I hope everyone's Ramadan's doing well. How's fasting going at the moment, guys? You'd probably just seen my suhoor. What I do at suhoor time. It's the most peaceful time ever. I hope everyone's doing alright. This is the next morning. Just giving the house a bit of a freshen up. Not a deep clean, but just to freshen up quickly. So it makes me feel a bit better. It wasn't that dirty. Just a quick freshen up. But I hope everyone's doing alright, guys. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Just come shopping, guys. I'm gonna do an iftar this evening. My sister's coming over. I always do iftar in her house, so I thought I'd invite her today because it's my day off. So I'm just gonna get some ingredients for what I'm making later. I was thinking about a pasta bake, so I'm just buying some stuff. And it started raining. Wow, British weather. How can I go grocery shopping and not pop into Matalan, guys? They got some Eid collection here. I was quite shocked to see. I know Next usually do it, but I didn't know Matalan do it as well. They got some boys shalwar kameez and some girls little outfits as well. It says Eid Mubarak on there, so they definitely upped their game this time. If you're interested in the Eid collection, it's actually a sale, 20% off at the moment if you're interested. And I also picked up this beautiful dress from there. It's really modest, guys. It's so long. You know how tall I am, 5'11" and a half, so I need long dresses. It's got a slit on the side. It's not a long one, it's kind of short slit on the side. It's like linen material and it's really flowy and it's quite summery as well, but you can actually wear it in winter with a jacket as well, waistcoat, whatever you want. But it's very good quality. I don't really buy from Matalan for myself, but some of the pieces they do are quite a good range and quite the quality is amazing, so I picked it up, guys. My Skin Me treatment has arrived, personalised to my name, guys. I had to do a questionnaire online what my skin type is, what are my concerns with my skin. Is it wrinkles? Is it dark spots? Is it not tight enough? You know, have I got black circles around under my eyes? So you have to do that questionnaire, and then they send you your treatment. And I think the first bottle is £3.50, guys. That's what I got it for. So I'm gonna try that for a month and see how I get on with it, so I can order some more. So I definitely recommend it, guys. If just go on Skin Me website and do your questionnaire, and it'll be according to your skin type. So what can be better than that?
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح بنا حد آيا صوحي كي تستريح وبوس الدعاء الخفي السريح يا ساق الفضاء الرهيب الفسيح فبالله كم تستتب القلوب ويبرع جرء الكثير الجريح تقال العسل الهذا مبيح ويد الحواء ككبش زبيح.
Iftari at mum's today. Baji's making some daim bure. She's just plating them up for everyone. You know, she's a super cook anyway in our family, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm actually hungry now as well. I'm just helping her. Well, not helping her, just kind of making a video. Looks delicious. It's about a week later, guys. I'm just making some chicken breasts to take at mum's house for iftari tonight, because we want to make some burgers tonight. So yeah, I'm just making it for everybody to take it at mum's. I'm hungry.
يا نور الهلال أقبل تعال فالشوق طال.
Hi guys, this is a really old video of my sister's media wall, because I've put another new latest one at the end. You'll see it. She moved into a new house and she's having a media wall done. This is a couple of months, well yeah, about 6 months ago. So this was being built at that time, so this was just a start. So I kind of designed it for her. I'm helping her do it. So yeah, so at the end of the video you'll see the finished look, but we haven't really finished yet properly. So this is the grey paint. It's like a concrete style, but in these boxes, as you can see, we're gonna have some gold veins painted as well, like not veins but like lines, like a design. You'll see at the end how it looks, but I'm still trying to help her with the house yet. She hasn't, it's nowhere finished yet. We hardly done anything, just been a bit lazy with it, to be honest. But yeah, you'll see the finished look at the end. This is the finished look, guys. It looks really nice, but we're just going to decorate it a bit. It's quite simple at the moment. So yeah, it's nice and dark, and yeah, I love dark media walls.
Oh Allah, we ask you to be with our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Oh Allah, we ask you to elevate them. Oh Allah, we ask you to protect them. Oh Allah, we ask you to have mercy upon them. Oh Allah, we ask you to calm their fears. Oh Allah, we ask you to cure their sick.